Hello, welcome to my new video. Most of the Google Market Center suspended for misrepresentation. So today I'll tell you about misrepresentation and how to fix misrepresentation. After computer, then I'll show one of my client Google Market Center account which was suspended for misrepresentation and I already fixed. So first of all, what is misrepresentation? When your Google Market Center products warning and limited visibility, that means your Google Market Center suspended. So two common reasons for suspended. One is misrepresentation. Another one is website needs improvement. So what is misrepresentation? Actually, your website have any information which not trustable. On your product page, on your about us, return and refund, shipping policy, here is something wrong. On your website, you used any promotional content, inspiration, customers for purchase from you. So this is not allowed. Google have their own misrepresentation policy. So I recommended everyone first follow their recommendation. So here is the details, everything what you will do or not. So I have 5 years experience. So on my site, I will tell you now what you do for your Google Market Center suspension misrepresentation. Let's see, go to your website and check your website speed, no broken links, no placeholder images, your business contact us pages available, also in footer, your website business details must be transparent, trustable, and true. No fake reviews. Your product title and description good, and also your product images high quality. Your website design must be professional. All policy pages must be unique content, not copy content. Actually, a lot of person do AI content, but Google details this. It was AI content. After complete all, then check your website properly. Your website button, all button must be working. No 404 error. Your business address must be legit. Business email must be valid. About us, human right must be. Shipping policy, add clear shipping policy, and also return and refund. For e-commerce business, I recommended you add your website FAQ page and track order. If you have any social media account, then link with your website. All social media accounts must be point picture same. Active account must be just post few. If you have new followers, no problem. And after complete all, then go to your Google Market Center account and check your website, check your Market Center, perfectly match your product title and description because few person website content and Market Center product details not same. So must check this and wait 1 day. After complete all, then you submit button. That's it. So here is one of my client Martin Center was suspended for misrepresentation, and here is I already fixed. So this one is suspended. So first of all, I click this one. See here. Here is this website name. Your products cannot be displayed to customers. This one kinds of notification on your mail that your Martin Center suspended for misrepresentation and its effect for your free listing and shopping ads and your all products disapproved for misrepresentation. So you need to fix this must. So after that, it's September 8. After that, I work here perfectly everything, and after that, here is the approval. That here is the merchant center ID. Review of misrepresentation fixed. The requested review of misrepresentation has been completed, and the issue no longer appears in your Google Merchant Center account. If you have questions, we want to help, contact the Merchant Center support team. So here is the mail notification from Google. They check our website, and that everything all perfectly. After that, they remove the suspension and approve all products. So see here, here is the approval date. Will show you. Here is the approval date is September 9. So this Google Merchant Center perfectly approved, and now this website allow for Google Shopping ads. So here is the details already told on this video. So if you have any issue for your Google Merchant Center account, contact with me on my site. I will do my best for your Merchant Center. So thank you so much for watch this video. Have a nice day.